Many view rental properties as a passive income shortcut, but without precise mathematical modeling, an investment property often becomes a decaying monthly liability. To avoid the common pitfalls, you need a system to filter out overpriced assets and identify properties that generate positive monthly cash flow. Your very first prerequisite is securing liquid capital. Lenders typically require a 15 to 20% down payment for an investment property. Additionally, you should set aside a separate 1% of the purchase price to cover closing costs and loan fees. You must also manage your tax strategy for mortgage qualification. While deducting every possible business expense lowers your tax bill, it also reduces the net income a lender sees on your returns. If your reported income is too low, you will not qualify for the debt needed to buy the property. A strong credit score is the final barrier. To access the lowest interest rates and maximize your monthly profit, you need a score of 740 or higher. You should verify your current score through a free service before proceeding to the scouting phase. Securing your capital, tax returns, and credit score provides the exact leverage needed to dictate terms to a seller, rather than hoping for a favorable deal. Once your finances are ready, consult a lender to determine your specific loan ceiling. Knowing your hard budget prevents the wasted time and emotional frustration of pursuing properties outside your price range. To protect your credit, provide the lender with the score you pulled yourself. They can use this number to provide an estimate without triggering a hard inquiry that might lower your rating. With a budget in hand, begin touring the market. Aim to see between 25 and 60 local properties. This volume allows you to develop an intuitive understanding of area pricing and the standard of local renovations. Target single-family homes or small multiplexes with up to 4 units. Focus on properties priced slightly below the area's median average, and avoid condos, as uncontrollable HOA fees will erode your monthly margins. Location cannot be renovated. Disqualify properties on busy thoroughfares, near freeways, or those backing up to commercial lots. These factors lower your long-term resale value. Instead, prioritize properties with cosmetic flaws but sound structural systems. Peeling exterior paint, dated, ugly kitchens, and heavily worn carpets are inexpensive to fix and provide the fastest path to increasing the property's value. Establishing these rigid structural and geographic parameters removes emotion from the buying process, ensuring you only acquire assets with clear upside. To validate a deal, you must perform a cash flow analysis. This determines if the property generates enough income to cover all associated ownership costs. Use a standard mortgage calculator. Input the purchase price, your 20% down payment, and the current interest rate for a 30-year fixed loan to find your base monthly mortgage payment. Add the carrying costs. In many states, property taxes account for roughly 1.2% of the purchase price annually. Include a monthly estimate for landlord insurance as well. Finally, incorporate buffers for maintenance and vacancy. Allocating a few $100s each month for these items ensures your personal finances aren't drained by a surprise repair or a month without a tenant. This total is your monthly ownership cost. Compare this total against the local market rent for similar units. The difference between these two numbers is your actual monthly profit. If rent does not cover all these costs with a surplus, do not buy the property. The objective is for the tenant to pay the mortgage and the upkeep while you retain the leftover cash. Once the math is confirmed, submit your offer through a responsive agent. This starts the escrow process and the official inspection period. Use the inspection report to identify every needed repair. Tally these costs and ask the seller for a credit or a price reduction. This negotiation ensures that the seller pays for the property's existing flaws rather than you. Relying on objective data and aggressive inspection leverage allows you to secure a deal that is profitable from day one. Renovation should begin the day you close escrow. Minimizing time between purchase and placement of the first tenant is vital for preserving your initial capital. Focus on renter-proofing the interior. Replace high-maintenance materials like carpet with durable laminate or tile. These surfaces are indestructible, reducing your long-term turnover costs. For the labor, get at least 3 bids from reputable contractors. When selecting a bid, apply the 20/20 rule to your budget and timeline. Budget for the project to cost 20% more than the quote and take 20% longer than promised. These margins protect you from common construction delays. Supervise the site daily. Your presence ensures the project stays on schedule and allows you to catch errors before they are sealed behind walls or under flooring. When the property is ready, hire a professional real estate photographer. High-quality, wide-angle images are the primary driver of tenant interest. Professional images stand out against the poor-quality smartphone photos typical of amateur listings, justifying a premium rent price and attracting a higher tier of applicants. Post the listing across all major platforms and respond to inquiries immediately. Qualified renters often view and apply for multiple units in a single day. A delay of 24 hours in your response usually results in losing that tenant to a more proactive landlord. Consistent oversight and rapid marketing execution convert the property from a liability into a stable income stream. With a tenant in place, you now own a stabilized asset. The rent covers the debt and expenses, while the property builds equity through monthly mortgage paydown. Hold the property for 12 to 18 months. This period allows you to replenish your cash reserves and get comfortable with property management. You can then apply the portfolio multiplier. Use your accumulated savings to fund the down payment on a second property and repeat the acquisition process. Executing this strategy every 2 years builds a 10-unit portfolio over a decade. Within 30 years, as the mortgages are paid in full, these properties become sources of debt-free rental income. The success of this long-term plan depends on selecting high-quality occupants. Click the link to our tenant screening guide to learn how to identify the right renters for your first property. Building significant real estate equity requires the relentless, unemotional